we are here for this really exciting free event. We have a very big team, people who have this amazing imagination to create this event. And the idea was really a full day of STEAM, science, technology, engineering, art, and math.
It makes us feel like we're contributing, to the world, hopefully giving other people more hope, doing our part, I'd say.
It's just been super empowering to see kids interacting with science on so many levels. And I think it's really beautiful that they've had opportunities to create and explore and figure out maybe like what type of science really resonates with them, and also help build their identity in that way.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun just exploring, seeing the robots that people have built.
First of all, the opportunity to learn new things with him and him to show me what he's learned. That's, I think, what's most important in life. We could do other things, but things like this, they happen once in a while and you got to take advantage of them.
I just want to say that it was really funny and people should try to do more STEAM activities.
Always wanted to be a paleontologist, and I'm kind of like changing my mind because it's inspired me to be more things.
We are so fortunate that we are able to have support from San Diego Foundation, from San Diego Unified, and that we're able to put this event together. It just feels really impactful to see that kids get excited and can see themselves in what we're doing and see that they belong and that they can contribute.